This is Koh Samui. It's like Bali but in Thailand. We stay in this green villa. It's a big family trip. My cousin and my auntie and my uncle, Oma, Opa, and all of them come. The room made from wood is like tree house, and it has swimming pool downstairs. We like it a lot. Look at this view. Mama teaches me to eat with chopsticks. We drive around Koh Samui first. I guess we're having lunch here. Ara's so cute. I just sleep when I'm tired. Look, Edric's so brave, catching a giant grasshopper. We go around the hotel using this small car. Now we want to go to Central. They have food market outside. To dance every time. This is Kung Fu dance. They have playground here too. Edric loves being Spider-Man. Famous Buddhist temple. I'm sleepy again. Look at this. It's really hard to build. This temple looks like both Chinese and Thai castle. It has a huge Buddha statue. We're so tired now. I want to go home. But before sleeping, I do yoga first to relax. Good night now. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?